Stop blending in with the self-publishing crowd. Use these free unconventional hacks to become the go-to name in your niche, where people think of you before the niche itself. When you combine unique strategies with your personality, you can turn creative tactics into what you really want. And that's more sales. Here's how to make it happen. The first lesson is called Controversy and Community. This is the Alex Green story. Alex Green is a self-published author who turned his modest book sales into a remarkable success story. You see, Alex was inspired by Andrew Tate's rise and how he managed to make so many sales. Alex focused on building a strong personal brand and engaging with a selected audience and using affiliate marketing as his advantage. First, Alex crafted a unique message. He shared his journey from corporate burnout to finding fulfillment through his book. This story resonated deeply with his readers, making them feel connected to him. Next, Alex created bold and engaging content. He shared strong opinions on social media about work-life balance, sparking debates and drawing attention. This controversy helped him stand out and get noticed. Then, Alex built an affiliate network. He set up a program where his followers could earn commissions by promoting his book. This not only expanded his reach, but also incentivized others to spread the word about his book. Alex also maintained a multi-platform presence. He was active on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok, tailoring his content for each platform to reach different audiences. He encouraged user-generated content by running challenges and using branded hashtags. This got his followers to create and share content about his book, which increased its visibility. In addition, Alex developed exclusive communities. He created Facebook groups and hosted live Q&A sessions, which fostered a sense of belonging among his fans. To monetize beyond books, Alex offered online courses, paid webinars, and branded merchandise related to his book's content. This diversified his income streams. He used email marketing effectively, growing his email list with lead magnets and sending regular newsletters to nurture his audience and drive them towards purchasing his book. Alex tracked his performance using analytical tools. This helped him refine his strategies based on data, ensuring continuous improvement. Lastly, Alex showcased his lifestyle. You see, by sharing aspects of his life that aligned with his personal brand, he attracted and inspired his audience. So here's a quick plan of action for you as a self-published author to replicate Alex's success with your own narrative. Develop a compelling story around your book. For example, think about your unique journey. Share bold opinions, spark engagement and discussions. Create an affiliate program. Expand your reach with incentivized followers. Be active on multiple social media platforms. Tailor your content for each platform. Run challenges and use hashtags. Increase visibility with user-generated content. Build exclusive online communities. Foster loyalty among your readers. Offer related products. Diversify your income streams. Use email marketing. Grow your list and nurture your audience. Track your performance. Refine your strategies based on data. Share your lifestyle. Attract like-minded followers. Now, remember, this isn't about copying Andrew Tate. It's about learning from his strategies and tailoring them to fit your personality and vision for your book. By the way, if you want to fast track your success on Amazon KDP, click the top link in the description for my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Moving on, the next lesson is what I like to call the Rapid Results Framework. This lesson is about how Emma used the Rapid Results Framework to boost her book sales. This framework focuses on constant testing and improvement, which is ideal for self-publishing. Emma ran A/B tests on her book covers, titles, and descriptions using sites like PickFu and BookBub. She monitored click-through rates and refined her approach, leading to better sales on Amazon. Here's how you can apply the Rapid Results Framework principles to your self-publishing journey. Test different book covers, titles, and descriptions. Use tools like PickFu and BookBub. Track click-through rates. If your click-through rate goes up after making a change, you know it's working. If it goes down, it's not. Refine your strategy based on data. Document every change. Put it in a spreadsheet, then create 2 boxes next to it. One that states works and the other that doesn't work. So the key takeaways from Emma's story are: continuously improve your strategies. Test different marketing elements. Find what resonates best with your audience. Refine your approach based on data. Make informed decisions for better results. Finally, let's see how data-driven decisions can transform your self-publishing journey. This lesson is on data-driven decision making and how James Carter relied on data when it came to making decisions. You see, James got his decision-making style from a lot of the tech companies, specifically tech startups. He analysed reader demographics and market trends using tools like Google Trends. This helped him identify profitable niches and tailor his marketing strategies accordingly. This approach significantly increased his book sales. Here's how you can leverage data-driven decisions. Analyze your reader demographics, understand who your readers are. Use tools like Google Trends to find profitable niches and trends. Tailor your marketing strategies based on data. Make informed decisions to boost sales. So the key takeaways from James's story are: make decisions based on data. Informed strategies yield better results. Study your audience and market trends. Know your readers and market. Adjust your marketing strategies. Tailor your approach for maximum impact. We've explored how advanced techniques from other fields can boost your self-publishing success on Amazon KDP. So remember, a unique message will resonate with your audience. Bold content will draw attention. Affiliate marketing will expand reach. A multi-platform presence will engage on various platforms. User-generated content will increase visibility. Exclusive communities foster loyalty. Monetize beyond books. Offer related products. Use a rapid results framework which will continuously lead to your improvement. Data-driven decisions will give your publishing business structure. These stories show how you can use these strategies to succeed on Amazon KDP. Subscribe to my channel for actionable KDP strategies. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. Until next time.